awesome-shadcn-ui is the definitive, community-led directory for the shadcn-ui ecosystem. While the original shadcn-ui library reshaped modern front-end development with its radical idea of components you copy and paste, this repository expands that vision into something much larger, a thriving ecosystem of shared building blocks. Maintained by Biro and a dedicated global community, awesome-shadcn-ui acts as a central hub for developers who want to push the boundaries of accessible, high-performance web interfaces using Radix UI and Tailwind CSS. At its core, the repository curates extended components that go far beyond the base shadcn-ui offering. These include advanced data tables, multi-select combo boxes, date range pickers, file uploaders, and other complex UI patterns that typically take days to implement correctly. Instead of reinventing the wheel, developers can borrow production-ready solutions that are already community-tested. Design systems and themes are another major highlight. The list features pre-built visual styles, from clean minimalist layouts to retro aesthetics and linear-style dashboards, allowing teams to completely change the look and feel of an application in minutes. This makes rapid iteration and branding dramatically easier. Awesome-shadcn-ui also recognizes that modern front-end development isn't tied to a single framework. While shadcn-ui is often associated with next.js, the repository includes guides and starters for Vita, Remix, Astro, and even Laravel. This flexibility reflects how widely the ecosystem has been adopted. Templates and starter projects play a huge role as well. The list links to complete landing pages, admin dashboards, and SaaS boilerplates that come pre-configured with the shadcn-ui stack. These aren't just demos, they're production-grade starting points that can shave weeks off development timelines. For developers who prefer visual workflows, the repository highlights UI builders and browser extensions that allow components to be customized visually and exported as clean, readable source code. This bridges the gap between design tools and real implementation. Getting started is intentionally simple. Developers can browse the GitHub repository, jump to categories like complex components or landing pages, and follow the core shadcn philosophy. Don't install bloated dependencies, just copy the code you need and make it your own. This approach reflects the unlibrary philosophy at the heart of shadcn-ui. Instead of hiding logic behind opaque abstractions, everything is transparent, editable, and owned by the developer. Accessibility is also non-negotiable. Curated resources are expected to meet the high WAI ARIA standards established by Radix UI. The benefits are immediate. Teams ship faster, maintain visual consistency, and enjoy an exceptional developer experience supported by helpful tooling and extensions. Awesome-shadcn-ui isn't just a list of components. It's a snapshot of how modern web interfaces are being built today: fast, accessible, flexible, and community-driven.
If this breakdown helped you understand the architecture behind the code, do me a quick favor. Hit that like button. It's a small click for you, but it's the primary signal that tells YouTube this engineering content belongs in more developers' feeds. We're on a mission here at Blueprint Bytes to simplify the most complex systems. To join the build, hit subscribe.